we'll just start again with that hail product, because that's the biggest thing, right? So we have the watch in play, but this one storm, as I pointed out, I mean, this thing has been growing in terms of its size and the hail product. And so a billiard ball is a pool ball, I would say at least golf ball sized, right? I mean, if anything, this is going to be larger. Some of these hail products kind of overdo the size, but we need to be acting as if this large hail, and this is damaging hail. Quarter size is the criteria by the National Weather Service, but look, if they're saying billiard ball or golf ball or baseball size, this is going to damage, obviously, windshields, but if you have any sort of, if you're out in Mason County right now, this is property damage hail. So here's the watch. Thank you, Kristen, for pulling this up. So this is going to be continuing at least for the next few hours, and this is now in play for the I-35 corridor. So this was a concern that we were talking about, Kristen was talking about on KNT, KXAN News Today, that we have plenty of storm fuel. And initially, those storms, if we can quickly go back to the radar, were initially tracking further north-northeast towards San Saba and Mason. But it looks like these storms are taking more of an easterly approach. And the reason why that's happening is there's a cold front moving in from our north. So they're being steered east, and it doesn't look like there's an environment that's going to cause these to shrink. Meaning, I expect that at least Mason and Delano, that we're going to see some composure and structure of these severe thunderstorms that will continue east. The question is how far east can these thunderstorms go, and will they reach the I-35 corridor? As they track east, we know the population goes up, right? People who are out in Mason County right now are in the center of that hill core. I would expect in that at least quarter size. I think the National Weather Service had $half, if not larger. Mason, we have about, let's just say, 15 to 25 minutes plus. This is moving at 45 miles per hour. So the time for this is about 30 to 40 minutes in Llano itself to prepare, but western parts of Llano County. I would also say southern San Saba, and then again, there's that storm. Thanks Kristen, for drawing this. Right behind that, that is positioned out toward Junction. So yeah, it's outside of the KXAN viewing area, but northern portions of Gillespie County, we need to be watching this. Mason, southern Mason, if you're just missing out on that first storm, if you're, let's say, 20 minutes south of Mason, and you're just outside of that warning, that doesn't mean that everything's all clear, because looking at the reflectivity loop here, right across I-10 Junction, that's where that second storm is. And typically with these supercell setups, that storm number one will take up a lot of that energy, but it's looking like that storm number two is still on track. Anything we need to add from the Weather Center, Kristen? Anything anything new popping?
No, we'll go ahead and send it to break, because we're going to need to pop over on KXAN and do a quick cut-in.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll be right back, and we'll be on KXAN.